Self-evaluation is a good way to encourage employees, students, or members to reflect upon their performance and find their strong and weak points. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can easily create a self-evaluation form without any coding. To begin, open Forms app and go to the Templates page. Here, you can find many templates to make the process faster. Click on the Use Template button to import this template to your account. Then, you can start editing form fields, adding new questions, and making changes to the design. Once you're done, go to the Share page to choose one or multiple sharing options for your form. That's all! Create your own self-evaluation form today by using the free template in the description. Watch our other tutorials to learn more about creating professional-looking forms, surveys, and quizzes in minutes.